Good morning students. Last class I thought you repeated addition sums. Today also we will see that related exercise. Seema, draw the missing figures and complete repeated addition fact. Okay. See, we have the figures and repeated addition fact also. Okay ma. See the first picture. First group we have 1, 2, 3, 4 circles. Second group also we have 4 circles. Third group also we have 4 circles. Okay. So 4 in second picture for plus 4. Next this plus 4. Okay. So 4 plus 4 plus 4. Okay. So 4 plus 4 8. 8 plus 4 12. Okay. So this is called repeated addition factor. Here repeatedly 4 we are adding. Next see. First group has 2 triangle, next empty. Third group has 2 triangle, next empty. So here what we can draw? 2 triangles. So this is repeated addition fact. So here also we want how many triangles? 2 triangles. Okay. Next here also we want 2 triangles. Okay ma. Now we can write the addition fact. See 2 plus next group has 2 plus next third one 2 plus next this for 2. Okay, so totally how many 2? 4. We have 4 groups, so 4 2 here, right? Now you add 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 2 8. Okay, this one way. Otherwise see 1 2 3 4. So 4 types of 2. So 4 2s are 8. Okay, we can use any method here. See ma, here repeated addition fact, so we add and write here answer. Okay ma. See the third sum. First group has how many items? 1 2 3 4 5. Third group also 1 2 3 4 5. Next also we want how many figures? 5 figures. So we can draw here 5 figures. Okay, now you write the repeated addition factor. Here 5 plus this 5 plus this 5. Okay, so totally 3 5s. So 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15. We can add these 3 numbers. Add means we will get 15. So here totally how many pictures available? 15 pictures. See the next sum. First group has how many pictures? 1 2 3 4 5 6. Second one empty and third one 1 2 3 4 5 6. So in this 2 picture also we want to draw how many? 6 pictures. Okay ma, first draw 6 pictures. After we can write the repeated addition factor. Okay, so write 6 plus second group also has 6 pictures plus third group also has 6 plus fourth one also has 6. Okay, so totally how many group? 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 6 available. Now you can add these 4 numbers. 6 plus 6 12. Now this 12 plus 6. So 12 plus 6 what answer? 18. Next 18 plus 6. Okay, what answer? 18 plus 6 is equal to 24. Okay, so these answers you properly draw and write it in your book. See the next topic ma. Let us learn repeated addition using number line. Okay, we have the number line here. Okay, what are the numbers? 0 to 15. See this one represents 0. Next 1 2. Next 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15. Okay, see here this arrow mark. Observe this arrow mark. Okay ma, this frog jumps how many steps? 3 steps. Say 1 2 3. Okay, again 1 2 3. So jump means that number is 6. Next 1 2 3. Next number is 9. Next 1 2 3. Next number is 12. Next 1 2 11 15. It will jump at 15. Okay, so start from 0 and leave in 3s up to 12. Okay, Seema, frog will reach 12 in 4 leaps of 3 units each. Okay, see here 0 to 12. Okay, this frog jump at 0 to 12. How many leaps? 4 leaps. See 1 2 3 4. Okay, so 4 times it will jumps. Next, how many units it follows? 3 units. See, 1, 2, 3. Next jump also 1, 2, 3. So 3 unit. Next also 1, 2, 3. So 3 units it follows. The frog can leap 3 unit distance in one attempt. See this attempt, this one first attempt. Here how many jumps? 3. So this is first attempt, next second attempt, third attempt and fourth attempt. After fourth attempt, the distance covered by the frog will be 12 units. It's shown as, okay, see 12 units covered means that is what? Fourth attempt. Okay ma? So how do we write that one? 0 plus 3. So is equal to 3. Next, how many unit? 3 unit takes. So 3 plus 3, 6. Next 3 units. So this answer 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Next 3 units. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Okay. So that is 3. When repeatedly added 4 times given 12, which can be expressed as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12 units. Here repeatedly what number we can add? See ma, here single numbers we are adding. Okay. See this 3. 0 plus 3, 3. Next 3 plus 6. This 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Next, this 6 plus how many unit we can add? 3 unit. So 6 plus 3 is equal to 9. Next, this 9 plus after 3 unit added. So 9 plus 3 is equal to 12. Okay, see here separately we are adding. Here fully we can add. See ma, see 3 plus after second attempt this 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 12 units. 2 also same method. Okay. So this is called what? Repeated addition. Here repeatedly we are adding 3. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12 is 12 units. Okay. So this frog takes how many units? 12 units. Seema, next one for your practice. For each of the distances given below, draw the leaping positions of the frog on the line to reach 20. Okay, see down we have the number line. This frog will reach what? 20. Okay, see here first one. One leap covers 2 units distance. Okay, one jump means how many distance it will cover? 2 units. Okay, so now what is the first one? 2 unit distance. It will reach to 20. 0 to 20. It will take how many units for one jump? 2 units. Okay, see down we have the number line. Okay, now we can write the numbers on the number line. See ma, 0 to 20. We can write the number 0 to 20. Okay. Next, this frog will take how many units for one jump? 2 units. So, 1, 2. Okay. So, first jump is here. Next also 2 units. 3, 4. Okay. So, 2 units take means that is 4. Next, 5 after jumping here. So, 6. Next is 7, 8. Next to 2 add means what is the answer? 8. So jumping here. Next 8 plus 2. So 9 and 10. So here. Next 10 plus 2, 12. Next 12 plus 2, 14. Next 14 plus 2, 16. Next 16 plus 2, 18. Next 18 plus 2, 20. So it will take how many units? 2 units for one jump. Okay. So now how many jumps here? How many attempt? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 attempt. Okay. So 0 to 20 it will jump means how many attempt it will take? 10 attempt. Okay. So unit covered by the frog is 2 units. Okay ma. See now we have the dash is here. Repeated addition factor. Now we can write the repeated addition factor. So how many times? 10 attempt. So we can write 10 numbers. Okay. So how many 2's we can write here? 10. See ma, first 0 to 2. So that is 1 attempt. So 2 plus. Next this one. So again 2 plus. Next 4 to 6. So this 2 plus. Next this attempt. Okay. So again 1, 2 plus here 2 plus next this 2 plus next this 2. So 2 plus next this one. So 2 plus next this attempt 2 plus the final this one. So 2. So totally how many 2's? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now this is addition factor, repeated addition factor. Now you add 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. Okay. 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 2, 12, 12 plus 2, 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 16 plus 2, 18, 18 plus 2, 20. So what is the final answer? 20. Okay, so this is called repeated addition factor. Next, number of jumps. How many jumps here? How many attempts? See, count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So number of jumps is equal to 10. Okay, ma? So this is our answer. See this drawing work and this everything you write it in your book. Next, see the second one. Second sum, one leap covers 4 units distance. Okay, on attempt means how many unit that frog covers? 4 units. Okay, see here is the frog. Okay, now it will jumps means how many unit covers? For one attempt it covers 4 unit. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So first attempt it will reach at 4. Next also 1, 2, 3, 4. So second attempt it will reach at 8. Okay. Next 1, 2, 3, 4 units it cover means it will reach at 12. Next 4 unit covering 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will reach at 16. Next 1, 2, 3, 4. It will reach at 20. Now we can write the repeated addition fact. So what first attempt this one. So 4 plus second attempt this one. So 4 plus third attempt 4 plus fourth attempt 4 plus fifth attempt 4. Okay. Now add these numbers. 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 4 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 4 20. So totally final answer what ma? 20. Okay, so this is called what? Repeated addition. Here repeatedly we are adding 4 numbers. Okay, number of jumps. Here how many jumps? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So totally 5 attempts. So number of jumps is equal to 5. Next third sum, one leap covers 5 unit distance. Okay, so one jump means how many distance, how many unit it covers? 5 units. Okay, now we can write the numbers on the number line. Okay, so now first we write the number here. See ma, this frog is here, it jumps. One jump means it will take how many units? 5 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is first 5. So it will jump here. Okay. So draw the line here. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next it will jump at 10. Okay. Next step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Third attempt it will reach at 15. Next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Fourth attempt it will reach 20. Okay ma. So repeated addition factor. Here how many unit follows? 5 units. So this one first one 5 plus second one also 5 plus third attempt also we have 5 units. Next fourth attempt also we have 5 units. Okay. Now 4 5s. 5 plus 5 10. 10 plus 5 15. 15 plus 5 20. Okay, so here all the answers were 20, but attempt is different and numbers are different. Okay, so here Sima we have 20 units. So 4 5s, 4 5s are 20. Number of jumps, how many attempt? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so number of jumps is 4. Okay ma, this is what repeated addition factor using number line. Okay ma, so this drawing work and this numbers everything you write it in your book.